Today, we're diving into a powerful but little known feature of Microsoft Excel that can significantly improve your data analysis and management, the advanced filter function. Filtering data in Excel is one of the most common tasks we do, and this function takes your Excel filtering capabilities to the next level, allowing you to sift through complex data sets and extract exactly the information you need. It's an indispensable tool for anyone looking to perform advanced data manipulation in Excel. In this video, we'll take a look at a few use cases for the advanced filter, including extracting unique values to another location and using complex multi-criteria filtering, which I guarantee you'll find really useful. So if you're ready to take your Excel skills to the next level, let's jump right in and master the advanced filter function together. In this first example, we got a small data set on the left hand side here that consists of date, sales rep, office and value sold. The task we want to achieve in this data set is to get a unique list of all of the dates that we sold something. The advanced filter can be found under the data tab and the sort and filter section. That will open a new dialog box and we're presented with a few options. First, the action. We either want to filter the list in place. What that will do is it will filter this list down in that same location or copy to another location. For this instance, we want to copy this list of dates to another location, but we want the unique lists from it. So we're going to first click on here, copy to another location. Then our list range is this section in column A. We don't need a criteria range for this example, so we'll skip over that. And this is currently selected cell F2, and that's fine. So we're going to copy it there. But we do need to make sure that we tick this for unique records only. I'm going to press OK. And what that has now done is it's brought through a unique list of all of the dates that we've sold something. As with most things in Excel, we can achieve the same outcome using different methods. This method of using the advanced filter to filter a list down to its unique values is just one method of doing that. We can also use the unique function. That would do the same job, and we could copy the data and then remove the duplicates. This just gives you another tool in your armory to be able to do those sorts of tasks. In our second example, we got the same data set, but this time we're going to copy across the data based on criteria. And that's what this section here is for. So if we just put our cursor in here, click there, come up to the advanced section again, we're once again going to copy it to another location. So select that. Our list range, we're going to select the whole table of data this time. The criteria range, we're going to select our criteria. We need to make sure that we include the headers because the advanced filter will match those headers up with those headers. And we're going to copy it to this cell here, G5. We don't need the unique records, and we're going to press OK. That now has copied all of this information from this table based on the sales rep Freya and the sales value of greater than 1,000. So for example, it hasn't picked up this one on the 4th of June where they had only sold 844, so it doesn't meet that criteria of greater than 1,000 sales. In this last example, we got a table of around 200 albums from various artists over the last 20 years or so. It's got the artist name, the title, peak position, and the year of release. Where the advanced filter really comes into its own is that we're able to filter this list down by really complex criteria. In this example, we're going to filter the table below where the artist has got the word the anywhere within it, and that's depicted by the apostrophe before the word the as a wildcard. The peak position needs to be less than or equal to 3, but on top of that, we also want to filter the list by all albums that were released in the year 2010 and had a peak position of 1. We're going to come up to advanced filter again. This time, our action we're going to filter the list below in place. We're not going to bother copying it to another location. So we can keep that there. The list range is our list here. And then the criteria range is our criteria up here. And remember again, we need to include the titles. We don't need to copy it to anywhere because we're not copying the data. And we also don't need to select the unique records only. I'm going to press OK. And that has now filtered the list below based on all of that complex criteria. That'd be really difficult to do using traditional filter methods. I hope you found this video really useful and have ideas on how you could use it in your spreadsheets already. If you haven't already, please remember to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel to ensure that you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time.